Houseboat update. Still have a lot to do.
Last year, we got the crazy idea to take an old pontoon boat, tear it down to the bare metal, and rebuild it into a tiny home on the water. We documented our steps along the way, and we want to share them with you to show you what's possible with a little bit of blood, sweat, and tears. This is our Pontoon Houseboat project.
Houseboat update. Still have a lot to do. We have light.
We installed recessed lighting from Halo with Bluetooth controls. Highly recommend that product. In addition to the lighting being installed, we also have our Dometic air conditioner with heat pump roughed in.
More light. And the widow bathroom.
At this point, we've got a wood veneer up for the walls. We've got paneling on the ceilings. Switchboard is wired and began an accent wall for the headboard by the bed. Prior to tackling the inside of the boat, we worked on the outside, including several coats of an exterior grade primer as well as exterior paint. The roof also went on, which was an RV membrane, a PVC urethane blend, which is glued on, easy to work with, pretty lightweight, and kept us dry.
Just gonna warn you, it doesn't make a super pretty cut on the inside. It's harder than health control.
We went with RV windows from Rec Pro. What this meant is we had to do a little shimming, a little adjusting on the interior to get a nice flush fit on the exterior. In retrospect, a 2x4 studded wall and standard house windows may have been a simpler task. It was probably the biggest morale boost having the windows installed and siliconed, bringing us so close to being watertight and livable. That just left us finishing up the roof and some interior walls. This leads us right up to the night before the launch, where not everything went perfect, including a swap of the trailer for something a little sturdier to tow it all the way out to the water. Stay tuned for the next episode, and if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button.